Happy Thursday, guys. What's going on? Vitai Dubin is here. Welcome back to Vitai Dubin Crypto Channel. And yes, guys, we are at extreme level of fear right now at 10 out of 100, which is the last time it happened was in the first quarter of 2022. Are we starting the bear market right now? What the heck is going on? Are we still in the bull market? Let's break it all down. What are the latest news? What can save this market? What are the levels that I'm looking at for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana? And let's dive right in, guys. So the market is pretty brutal. Bitcoin hit $82,200 on Wednesday night, and we are oversold. The last time we were oversold was in August 2024 on a daily, and you know what happened next? Bitcoin rallied pretty big. We also touch here the 200 days moving average over $82,000. Like I said in the previous stream, as long as we are above $80,000 closing the month of February, there is hope that the bull market is there. Now, what we do need to also see that it's not, not everything is lining up very nicely. As you can see, in 2021, there was the bearish divergence on the weekly chart where the RSI didn't come to the level that it was before, but the price slightly moved higher. Okay, and now we have also this bearish divergence. When the price hit $77,000, we had this in RSI. When the price hits $108,000, we had a lower RSI. So now this bearish divergence is playing out. So the question is, are we right now similar to this position over here in kind of May 2021 when we climb back to create a new highs, or is this the beginning of the bear market like we've seen in November 2021? It would have been very odd if it wouldn't in fact signify already the bull market, because not every single indicator for the bull market top has been hit, and Ethereum is not even reached the previous new all-time high, right? So it's pretty weird. Ethereum right now is trading at $2,350, is slightly higher than the liquidation week that was recorded on the 3rd of February, which is a massive week. We are currently sitting at a support level for Ethereum, but if this breaks to the downside, well, there is not much support for Ethereum below that. 2,150 maybe, this level. If this fails to hold, well, the next level is maybe $1,900 support, $1,900, or even $1,600, but it's early to talk about it because we are currently sitting at support. We're pretty oversold on Ethereum as well on a weekly level. If you look on a daily level, we are close to being oversold over here. So can it form a double bottom over here and rebound? Absolutely. It is in fact more likely that it will do so than it will break to the downside. The fear and greed index, 10 out of 100. Extreme fear. The lowest since 2022. Buying the dip has been very good during this time. That's why Robert Kiyosaki is saying, I'm buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on sale. I'm buying. I'm trading a fake money for Bitcoin anytime, because there is all these debts, etc. You can read the tweet. We see outflow. Unfortunately, there is a lot of outflow from the ETF. BlackRock recorded the biggest outflow of 5,100 Bitcoin and 30,000 Ethereum into Coinbase Prime. You can see red net outflows. 25 of February was 1.1 billion in outflow. 26th of February, $754 million in outflow. So pretty brutal out there. Pretty brutal. What can save us? Well, Wells just bought approximately 800 million worth of Bitcoin. That this happened today. Greater wealth transfer is happening right now. Um, the Wyckoff reaccumulation zone, the bullish scenario, the spring. The spring is creating kind of a lower point than it was before. Like look at this, and then kind of goes up, testing the jumps cross and creating new highs. Okay, so that's kind of what we need to do right now if this pattern is gonna play out. Bitcoin is now the most oversold since Q3 of 2023, and altcoins barely dumped in this Bitcoin drop, which can potentially lead to a huge reversal that will be coming. The liquidations are still very high. The last 24 hours, $690 million got liquidated. It's bad. It's really bad. A lot of leverage is still out there in the system, but I think it's been flashed out right now, and the shorts that are piling up can create a short squeeze to the upside. So we have, you see the fear and greed index at 10. The last time we've seen this happen was around like May 2020, even June 2022. You know what happened next? And we did struggle still in 2022 after June, but we're already in a bear market by then. We already been in a bear market, not like right now. 30% corrections are possible in this market. Okay, that's what you need to remember, that we are still, we're day 315. Previous cycles, we've seen it top out about day 500. So we have like 180 days more left to this cycle, right? So if history is to repeat itself, then we're just slightly deviating right now with this price going down, but we still have about half a year of bull market still that is happening. Just in, President Trump announced additional 10% tariff on China, and that's the reason why all these tariffs of Canada, Mexico, on China, on European Union, it's really creating mess in the market, uncertainty in the market, fear in the market, and that's why the prices were going down. Okay, that's what's happening. Solana ETF making its debut on DTCC. This is mega bullish. Solana ETF and other ETFs are piling up. Oklahoma's government oversight committee passes strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, now heading to the House floor. So if this is gonna be passed, it will lead the way to other states to pass those bills. So is Wyckoff reaccumulation pattern is going to kick in, the potential spring rally continuation? Are we gonna do that? Time will tell. But $1 trillion Standard Chartered Bank says Bitcoin could hit $500,000 before Trump leaves office. So, and Michael Saylor right now giving speech in Washington D.C. on how America can pay off the national debt with Bitcoin strategic reserve. That's what's gonna save this bull market if we're gonna have any news like that on the Bitcoin strategic reserve. So stay safe out there, guys. Really stay safe. It is time right now to pay attention, to not panic. It's it can be a very bad decision. I understand that the urge and the desire to sell right now is the greatest because you already lost so much and you don't want to lose more, but you might miss the next huge rally to the upside. So what I'm seeing is for the Bitcoin, if it fails to hold the $80,000 level, if we're gonna close the months below $80,000, it's gonna be brutal. It's gonna be bearish. We are not there yet. We can see a relief rally right now. We can really see that happening. So let's see how today is gonna close. Don't be too aggressive right now on the longs. Everything can happen. We can see one more flash crash to the downside before the mega pump. So be careful. The name of the game is to survive those periods, and then you can print a lot of money. Okay, it's been Vitaly being with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. There is a Telegram channel. You can sign up for free updates to me, and use the links below to sign up for the exchanges, receiving bonuses, and I will see you in the next video.